Hello, Jay.
Order ka na.
Jay, how are you? Where are you going? Thailand? Na? Pagi. Hello, Pagi. Pagi. Drawing na naman.
Yes.
Hindi ba order? Order ka food? Eat ka na, Jay. Eat na. Welcome to Thailand. Hello, guys. Daddy. Morning, everyone. Good morning, Ajay. It's our first day today. So, kagabi, alas 4 na kami nakatulog. So, itutour muna namin kayo sa aming room. Actually, ang ganda nito. Ito, nakalock lang siya. Pero, storage room siya. So, ito yung living room. And then, ito yung kitchen.
Buksan mo dito, Jewan.
And then, ito yung unang bedroom. Ay, sorry. Ay, bathroom pala, bedroom. Ito yung unang bed. And then, ito yung isang bathroom. Tapos, ito yung isang bed. Ayan. Siyempre, hindi mawawala lagi ang palaman from Philippines. Ang mga basic necessities. Hello! Swimming! It's our last day! 6th day! Guys, punta na po kami ng Platinum Mall. Hello, Ate Nika. Hello guys, good morning. It's our second day and we're going to Dream World. Hi all, welcome to Dream World. Guys, how are you? Welcome to Dream World. Guys, so today andito kami sa Dream World.
Yung ano mo, electric fan. Nasaan niya sa'yo, Em?
Hi, Daddy. Ajay, welcome to Dream World. Hello. Hello, guys.
Mommy, water May water ako gusto mo.
Say hi to the pets.
Bored ka, Jay? Hello! Ano ba sa mga hello! 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 Bye-bye! Hello! Hi muna kayo!
Walang ulo.
Araulo.
Oh, refillable soft drinks. Woohoo! Hello guys!
Here at Bangkok, Thailand!
Mami, grabe.
And it's snowing! Yeah, that's artificial snow.
Hello, RR! So good! Ajay! Hi, R! Say hi to them, R! Hi, guys! Palabas na kami, hindi na namin kaya. It's so cold. So, woo, finally. So, malamig.
Okay, and 3. Okay, okay. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Yeah, very good, very good.
So, andito na kami sa Isyati. So, magkukross muna kami for now. We're going to here.
Okay na siya?
Yeah, naka-ano. Hi guys! Hi! Finally! Woo! I can enjoy. Hello, Ate Mika! Hello guys! Hello Ajay! Hi guys!
Mami, Ajay.
Malok, magkakali ka mo. Malok, kali ka mo.
Isa-isa daw yam, isa-isa yam, isa-isa sila. Siyempre yun.
Galing umawala sa stage, ang tagal ah. Dito ka. Malino. Doon daw dito. Malok. Karatin. Karatin, malok. Sige, video ka?
Congratulations.
And most important missionary to collect this award of the year. Congratulations to Thailand International Leadership Awards confers the 2024 Asia's Woman of Excellence in Business Leadership and Most Empowered CEO for. Once again, we call on stage our award presenters, the businessman from Poland. Congratulations! And also would like to acknowledge and to give this award to Most Outstanding Young Fashion Icon and multi-awarded International Kids Supermodel of the Year, Yana Mins Serio. Congratulations! Most Exceptional International Young Runway Model and multi-awarded Rising Star of the Year. Congratulations to Robin Azariel Padilla. Alright, we call on stage Mr. Robin Azariel Padilla to receive your award. Please stay on the stage, MRJ Collections models. Most Outstanding Runway Princess and multi-awarded Talented International Young Model of the Year, Queen Lemery D. Ortega. Congratulations!
Robin, go.
Next awardee, 2024 Most Outstanding Teen Beauty Queen and multi-awarded International Supermodel Rising Star of the Year, Princess Jamila Los Manos. Congratulations! Alright, and next awardee, the 2024 Most Outstanding Young Runway Supermodel and Multi-Talented International Rising Star of the Year, Princess Maria Johns. Congratulations!
Wait lang, bebe.
Next awardee, 2024 Most Outstanding Achiever in Youth Student Advocate Leadership and a Fast Rising International Young Supermodel of the Year, Princess Micah Dasalias. Congratulations! Most Outstanding Runway Princess and Multi-Talented International Young Model of the Year, Lourdes Terilyn Leodigario Arañas. Congratulations! Awardee, the 2024 Most Outstanding Runway Princess and Multi-Talented International Team Model of the Year, Jade Aliana Noel M. Sumanesay. Congratulations! Awardee, Most Promising International Young Runway Model of the Year, Daenerys Kim Angelique El Sager. Congratulations! Gentlemen, the Achievers from MRJ Collections. Let's give them a big round of applause, and to give us a special message, may we call on stage Miss Miona Sergio. Wow, congratulations, Miona Means Serio. Congratulations. All right, partner. And thank you so much to our award presenters, the businessman from Poland, Mr. Darwin Golgota. Thank you so much for your time. All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Hello.
Saan tayo pupunta, Ma?
Guys, so it's our fifth day today, and gagala muna kami. Yeah.
Mami!
Yeah.
Doon ako sa park.
I'll go inside.
Sobrang likod, ah.
Sobrang likod.
Pwede? Akala ko fourth. Kaya doon ako sa
Hello.
Let's go.
Hello guys. So aalis sila. Bye.
Guys.
Ate ko rin.
Bakit? Don't be scared. Huwag kayo
Ulit ko rin. Ulit ko.
Hello.
Ano si Lollipop para ano?
Hello guys. Wala araw, don't close your eyes. Just watch. Walang crocodile dito. Niloloko ka lang ni ate.
Pinis niyo. Ate, mas
Woo! How are you guys?
Dati ano pala, yung binayag pala natin doon sa ano, baho, bigyan ako
Saan?
tayo for today. Dati. RM. go guys! Elephant riding!
Iyakan lang.
Hello. It's so hot. Aar. Hello, Aar. Hello. Elephant?
Yes.
Mika RR, elephant swimming din. Yeah. Yeah. R, say hello.
Hello.
Hello, Ajay. Hot? Galing Ajay ah.
Hello.
Hello, elephant. Big elephant. Oh,
Thầy phá rồi nè. Tại sao luôn
ayun na. Sabi ka. Sila RR. Nasa water. RR! Swimming! Swimming din tayo.
How is it, R? Good? Do you like it? You want more? You don't like anymore. Where's Daddy? Hi, RJ! RJ! Yeah, I will buy. Wait. Yeah, I'll buy. Wait. I am. Guys, so punta na kami ng temple.
Lalaro siya ng Roblox.
Ajay.
Ayun, nakatulog sa bilis ng bangka. Bagsak. Ajay. Tulog ka na Em. Tulog na rin si MM. Hello, Mami.
Grabe,
How's your Fast and Furious ride?
Yo, ready?
Ka ready? Galing mo nga, naka-video nga ako kanina eh.
Lagi tinangin kamay ko, oh. Gusto ko na pahintuin eh.
Hindi na tayo mababa. Hindi na tayo mababa, di ba?
Bibili ka tayo dito. Mura ba kaya dito? Bili ko mura na sa shot. Oh my God, hindi ako hindi ako prepared. Kapangka! Yung takot na takot ako pero wala akong choice. Oh my gosh. Tutangin na. Tapos puwesto pa ako sa harap. Oh my gosh. Tapos ang bilis ni Kuya. Enjoy guys! Yay! Happy hour!
Boring sir, natulog eh.
Natulog sir. At happy Jay?
Yes.
Adi.
Kala-
Thailand! Bye! Thailand! Goodbye! Goodbye, Thailand!
Kapunta, Thailand!